Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage Bluetooth file sharing. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone has Bluetooth enabled. Now, find file you would like to share via Bluetooth. Tap and hold on it and tap Share. Now you can select QuickShare, HonorShare or Bluetooth. Select available device. And that's basically it. The second device has to accept sharing device. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.